Hi everyone, my name is Mani and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we will explore the process of generating a status within the service desk. The status denotes the current progress state of a request within the Faveo service desk. Users will be informed about the status of their requests or incidents through status updates. This module allows the creation of new statuses according to your preferences and the modification of existing ones. Only the admin can create the statuses. Now let's see how it works. Log into the support portal as an admin. Scroll down a little to the service desk section. Here you all can see the option Status. Click on it. A list of all the default and created statuses will be displayed here. Faveo Service Desk system has 35 records of default statuses given in the system. To create a new status, click on the plus icon. Before we get started, here I have already created a status for change, and I will create another one to demonstrate how the order sequence works. Under the name field, enter the name of the status of your preference. Enter a number in the display box. The newly generated status will be organized based on their numeric sequence within the status field of their respective module list. You can set an icon for the status to be displayed. Select a color from the color palette for the status as it helps to identify the icon. Choose the service desk module for which the status is being created from the drop-down. The purpose of status is to define the actions or processes associated with the selected status. For example, let's consider a situation where you have created a status named resolved and set its purpose of status as closed. So when you update the status of an incident or problem from open or any other status to resolved, it will be automatically marked as closed. Here I am selecting on hold status. Click on the save option. Here you can see that the status has been saved successfully. When you navigate to the change module and create it, these particular statuses will appear based on their numeric position within the change status list. Here you can see that the newly created statuses will be organized based on their numeric sequence within the change module status list. And in the description box of this video, I will include links to articles where you can find additional information and important notes about the topics discussed. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any query related to this video, do let us know in the comment section. We'll be happy to answer.